Hi, this is Dave Thoman with Deltarack. Today we're going to do an assembly video for the Deltaracks. First off, all you need is a powered screwdriver and a mallet. All Deltaracks have the same slat depending upon the side. So there is not a top slat, a bottom slat, or even a side slat. They're all the same. And on the uprights, they're going to be clearly marked where the centerpiece goes with the blue and the red. So let's put this together. The quickest way to put any Deltarack together is to start with the centerpiece. Some tips on putting together your Deltarack is all of the slats come pre-drilled, ready to be received by the uprights, which have the dowels in place. Best practice to make sure that your rack is put together and at full strength is to use a mallet. Making sure that there is not a gap underneath. This is the tongue and groove, and this is probably the most critical piece of putting together the rack. Additionally, we will provide you with all of the hardware in order to fasten the slats to the upright. And that's it.